Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel. Today what we are going to discuss is the tongue tie. What is tongue tie? Like many times you might have heard that some children who is born has the thread below the tongue. The tongue is attached to the base of the jaw and that is known as tongue tie. In our terminology it is known as ankyloglossia. So what is tongue tie? What are the problems because of the tongue tie? When its surgery is indicated? All these things I am going to discuss today in this video. Watch this video till end, it will be useful to you. Friends, you might have heard that some children are born with some tissue below the tongue. The tongue is tied with the floor of the jaw. That is known as a tongue tie or the ankyloglossia. Why it is important that the tongue should be mobile? Tongue has different functions. The commonest function of the tongue is for the speech, like the sum of the word like the ta, tha, na, those we are producing from the tongue itself. Other function of the tongue is basically to have the taste. Whatever food we are eating, we should get the taste, then and then we will eat that food. So tongue help for the identifying the taste. The tongue has a taste bud. And you are knowing that in the corona we are losing that taste functions. Maybe the coronavirus is affecting the tongue receptor buds or the taste receptor buds. That's why we are losing the taste of the food. Another common functions of the tongue is the movement inside. Like you must be seen in the animals like the giraffe who has a very big tongue. It helps to clean his surrounding areas. The same way in human beings also, tongue is helpful to clearing our tooth structure as well as the gum structure. Many times some food stuck into the tongue, into the teeth, the tongue helps to clear that out. Another important function are the production of the mucus and the salivation. That is very essential for the digestion of the food. So if you see overall, the tongue has number of the functions. So that's why it is very important that tongue should be mobile inside the jaw, otherwise there will be the problem. I will demonstrate the movement of the tongue and its functions by the two spoons, so that will be easy for you to understand. And in that one also I will explain you what is a tongue tie and how the surgery is done for the tongue tie. So suppose this is your tongue. Now you can see the tongue is attached to the jaw from the base here. Tongue will move like this, tongue will move up and down like this, and that will help for the feeding and help for the speech as well. Now in the tongue tie there is a small tissues which attach from his tip to the base like this, so that the movement of the tongue is getting restricted. So tongue cannot be get lifted like this, tongue cannot be moved like this, tongue cannot be moved like this. So the movement of the tongue is getting restricted, so it will cause the problem in the feeding, because while you have to feed, while you want to feed, at that time your movement of the tongue should be there so that you can easily swallow that food. So once this movement is restricted, tongue movement is restricted, it can cause problem of the feeding in the infancy age group. Other than that, the children, the gums also cannot be cleared effectively if the tongue is not mobile. So what are the indications when the tongue tie release surgery is advisable? So how is the tongue tie release surgery? So this is the tongue and this is your thread like this. So what the surgeon does is, the surgeon will try to cut this portion from here, cut this portion from the here, so that the movement of the tongue is get established again. In the infancy age group, when the tongue is not fixed well, only the smaller portion can be cut under local anesthesia or maybe sometime without anesthesia as well. And immediately after that release, child will again start having the normal functions of the tongue. But if the child is more than 1 year of the age group, then it will require almost complete release of that band which is there below, and it requires the general anesthesia. So for the tongue tie, if there is a doubt, yes, generally the surgeon advised to do the surgery before the infancy. But the indication of the surgery is like the first and foremost is the difficulty in the feeding. Like the infant age group, when they have to produce a negative section for the breastfeeding, if they are not able to feed well, it is a definite indication of the surgery in the infancy age group. Second thing is the movement of the tongue is much restricted. Like the tongue is not moving to the gum, or tongue is not going to the over the teeth side, then yes, it is becoming the indication. But in the infancy age group, the tongue, if it is coming up to the upper teeth, then it is considered as a normal. There is common belief that the tongue tie delays the speech. No, there is no evidence that tongue tie delays the speech, but it can produce a difficulty in articulation of the some of the words like the ta, tha, na. Those are the common words which we are producing from the tongue. So I hope I have cleared a lot of doubts about the tongue tie. If you like this video, press the like button, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe as well. Thank you very much.